Welcome to Launchpadi-Q, your comprehensive solution for creating, managing, and taking multiple choice quizzes with ease. Our platform allows you to build extensive question banks, generate customized quizzes based on various criteria like subjects, topics, and difficulty, and take timed assessments to track your progress with detailed feedback. If you're new, you can sign up using the button at the top right. For this demonstration, we'll log into an existing account. Simply click Log In, enter your registered email address and your password, then click the Login button. This takes you to your personal dashboard, the central hub for your quiz activity. Initially, you'll see key metrics like total quizzes created, quizzes completed, and your average score, all starting at 0 for a new account. Notice the recent quizzes and recent quiz attempts sections below the main stats are currently empty, indicating no activity yet. Let's change that by creating our first standard quiz. Now we're on the Create New Quizzes page. This process uses questions already available in your question bank. First, select the subject from the drop-down. Let's choose Mathematics. Next is the difficulty level. It defaults to Mixed. The Topics field is optional. Now, set the number of questions for the quiz. The default is 5, which we'll use. You can also optionally set a custom quiz time in seconds. If left empty, the system calculates it automatically. Let's enter 120 seconds, which is 2 minutes. Notice the small warning appears if the time per question is less than 60 seconds, just as a guide. Below this, you have optional fields for category and tags to further refine question selection and organization. At the bottom, you have a choice. Manually list questions to select, or, as indicated by the text, you can skip this step to randomly select from available questions that match the criteria we've set. We'll skip it for random selection. Now click Create Quiz. The system confirms quiz created successfully and brings us to the quiz information page. Here we see the title Mathematics Quiz, 5 questions, created by this user. The quiz information box summarizes our settings, 5 questions, mixed difficulty, and our custom total time of 2 minutes. The Ready to Start section tells us what to expect, 5 questions, taking approximately 3 minutes. It reminds us to complete the quiz in 1 session. There's also a Share Quizzes button if you want others to take it. Let's begin the quiz now by clicking Start Quiz. The quiz interface loads. At the top, you see the title, Mathematics Quiz, 5 questions. The time remaining is now counting down from the 2 minutes we set, and the Submit Quiz button. Below the timer is the Question Navigator, showing the numbers 1 through 5. We are currently on Question 1. Let's answer Question 1, and then click on number 2 in the Navigator to move directly to the next question. Here is Question 2. We'll select an answer, and use the Next button at the bottom right this time. Now on Question 3, let's select an answer, and click number 4 in the Navigator. On Question 4, let's say we're unsure or want to double-check later. We can click the Mark for Review button. Notice the small star appears next to the question number, and the number 4 in the Navigator turns yellow as a visual reminder. Let's click number 5 to go to the last question. For Question 5, perhaps we initially select an answer, say 7, but then want to change it. We can use the Clear Answer button to deselect it, and then choose our final answer, let's say 8. Having attempted all questions we intend to, we click Submit Quiz at the top right. A confirmation pop-up appears. It tells us, you have answered 4 out of 5 questions. It also warns us about the question marked for review and the one unanswered, asking if we're sure we want to submit without reviewing or answering them. This prevents accidental submission. We'll confirm by clicking Submit Quiz again. The platform grades the quiz instantly, and here are the quiz results. We achieved a score of 60%. The time taken was 1 minute and 22 seconds, and we got 3 out of 5 feet correct answers. Below this summary is the very useful question review section. Let's scroll down. For Question 1, our selected answer is shown, marked correct with a green check and highlight. If an explanation was added when the question was created, it would appear here below the options, providing detailed feedback. This question includes a detailed mathematical explanation. Scrolling further, Question 2 and 3 were also answered correctly. Question 4 shows not answered, but the correct answer is highlighted in green. For Question 5, our incorrect answer 8 is marked with a red X and highlight, while the correct answer 6, let's head back to the dashboard. You can immediately see the updates. Total quizzes created now shows 1. Quizzes completed is 1. And our average score reflects the 60% from that attempt. The recent quizzes list displays the mathematics quiz we just created, and the recent quiz attempts section logs our completed attempt with its date, status, and score. Now, let's explore the My Quizzes section using the top navigation bar. This area organizes your quizzes into 2 helpful tabs. The default view is Attempted Quizzes, listing all quizzes you've taken, showing the Next, let's check out the Discover tab. This is a public space where you can find and try out quizzes created by other users in the Launchpadi-Q community. You can use the filters at the top to search for quizzes by category, subject, or specific topics. Once you set your filters, you'd click Find Quizzes. Below the filters, you see quiz cards. Each card provides details like the quiz title, tags, the number of questions, how many attempts have been made by the community, the average score achieved, the creator's username, and an attempt button to take the quiz yourself. There's also a share icon. This Discover section is a fantastic resource for finding practice material. Finally, let's navigate to the question bank. This is where all the individual questions are stored and managed. By default, or by clicking Show All Questions, you see a list of all questions available in the system that you have access to. This might include a large shared library. You can filter this extensive list using the drop-downs for subject, category, difficulty, and source. The list displays the question text preview, its subject, difficulty level, and actions. If you want to see only the questions you've personally added, you click the My Questions button. As we haven't added any manually yet in this demonstration account, this view is currently empty, prompting us to add a question. Let's add our own question to the bank. We'll click the Add Question button in the Question Bank section. This opens the Create Question form. The first field is Question Text. Remember, you can use MathJax for formulas and add images here. Refer to View Help for formatting. Let's enter a simple question. What is 1 plus 9? Next, we move to Answer Choices. We need to provide the options. Let's enter 7, then 3, then 10, and finally 9. Crucially, you must select the radio button next to the correct answer. So we select 10. You can add an optional explanation here, which would appear in the quiz review later. We'll skip it for this example. Scrolling down, we find Question Classification. This is vital for organizing your questions. We select the subject, mathematics. We can optionally add a topic, select a category. Let's choose Grade 9. You can also specify a source and add up to 5 tags by typing them or clicking popular ones below, helping you filter questions precisely when creating quizzes. Once everything is filled and classified, click Create Question. We get the confirmation question created successfully. Now back in the question bank, automatically filtered to My Questions, we see our newly added question, what is 1 plus 9? Listed under the mathematics subject with medium difficulty. Actions to edit or delete this question are available. The Manage and Users tabs in the main navigation are for administrative tasks like managing. And that concludes our video showcasing how you can easily create, manage, take, and discover quizzes. We hope this walkthrough has clearly demonstrated the power and simplicity of our platform for your learning and assessment needs. Thank you so much for watching. To explore further, sign up for a free trial, or learn more about all our features, please visit our website. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and updates on exciting new features coming soon.